welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with us and spending a day just doing a few things around the house. Now obviously this wasn't filmed just in one day, this was filmed across probably a week and a half. We had family visiting for Easter, so we weren't able to do too much filming, but bits and pieces here and there. What did we get up to? We did continued the decluttering journey, just trying to simplify everything, go through everything in the house, get it all sorted out, go through every single box, every single nook and cranny, and just make sure there's nothing in the house that really just doesn't belong or is just kind of hanging on because I haven't had time to deal with it. So that we went through a whole bunch of like keepsakes and just like junk boxes kind of. And then what else did we do? Oh, we did some screen-free hobbies. So looking at doing a couple of screen-free hobbies just to do something other than just watching YouTube videos every night, pretty much. Not that there's anything wrong with watching YouTube videos, but sometimes it's nice to have something else to do in the evenings or on the weekends. So we did some watercolor paintings and watched some YouTube tutorials on how to do that because it's kind of trickier than it looks. Kind of getting the hang of it. I don't know, it's quite expensive though if you buy the actual quality watercolors. So we just picked up a cheap Kmart beginner watercolor set. So obviously it's not the best quality, but I kind of think it's enough to give you an idea and see if it's something that I would want to kind of continue with. So I don't know, maybe. What else did we do? Got a new book for the Easter holidays. That was good. Made a new garden. We almost finished the garden makeover to cover the air conditioning unit, so that is starting to look quite nice. Hopefully the flowers last. Hopefully they don't just die because we put in quite a lot of work, Riley and I, to get that done. That was good. And then what else did we do? Not much. We couldn't really get up to much, or not much that you can film because I don't want to be filming when we've got family visiting. Then we packed up the Easter decorations for another year. Easter is over now. Back to work tomorrow for me after having the last week off over the Easter and Anzac Day holiday. Then another long weekend next weekend for Labor Day, Bank Holiday Monday. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out. Cozy days at home. My favorite thing to do. Stay home with Freddie. I got that. And to a lesser extent, this. Three boxes of random stuff. I might need to just get situated a bit. I need to figure out. And Cello can get rid of so much of this stuff. Which one's this? Here, that's what I was looking for. What's that? So many random keepsakes.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea.
Household bits.
I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better.
So I'm just basically breaking it into the areas that it has to go, that it belongs.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh.
Good. We are going to need a refill of these. No, not aesthetic. You can't have a partially empty one in there. I think this doesn't need to be in the top. I would like it here, but not in the top one. Okay, let's have a think.
Take me on a spree. I wanna get to know me, every little inch of me. Gentle while you stroke, want you to picture me, every number count, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. I've said it doesn't matter now, but it defeats me. Shackles around one's feet is not so neat. Oh, hurry with the kisses, your lips and the balm. Every number counts, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. The slowness creeps towards my feet within the light the morning brings to clean the remnants of a dream. Shadows you cannot see, I brush aside. You're on my mind this week. The lows are deep, I fall into the refuge that is sleep. There's nothing in my view but images of you 1,000 times. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. Love is nothing but an echo, a memory you can't deny. Life is nothing but a vision, a play without a stage, an ocean without waves. The summer came for us, I remember what I lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said.
This is a pest repellent. It stops bugs from getting in. And this is humidity absorber. and we'll see you next week. Bye everybody. And that's why I can't record voiceovers, because there's too much noise around. You can hear the street, you can hear everyone coming and going, and it's just frustrating and annoying. So sorry there's no voiceover today.